Go, huh?
Alright, you ready?
In Zerp.
And there aren't that many people in here.
No auto.
Oh, man.
Boom, 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 boom.
Turn
Ray
them the other way.
McCallum.
You can't read most of those?
Come on, guy.
You can't read most of those?
Yeah, I can. Nate Robinson, Raymond Felton, Kenyon Martin, Evan Turner, Terrence Ross, Vince Carter, Josh Smith, Ray McCallum, Jack Sickman, there's an orange.
Oh,
Eric
blue?
Felix,
Oh, no.
Larry Bird, Tracy McGrady, orange.
Ooh.
Oh, man.
3 of 60. That's actually jersey number 2.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
And then a Damian Lillard blue,
Ooh.
number 75 and 199.
Wow. Who got that?
Kind of be hard to beat
that
jersey
you?
number guys.
Oh, Jason. Jason already, man. This guy.
It's a good pack, though.
2 blues and an orange. DeAndre Jordan, Eric Maynard, David Lee, Glenn Davis, Mo Harkless, Tobias. Wow, there's a magic hot pack there.
There's a lot of magic.
Alec Burks, Ben McLemore rookie, Dr. J, Ricky Lito, Nate Archibald, Steve Nash gold or orange, 43 of 60. Kyrie insert.
Oh.
James Worthy,
James Worthy.
John Havlicek blue.
Wow. This card looked nice, man.
89.
No diggity, no doubt. Thank you. All right, next up.
Come on, Michael Carter Williams
Auto in there. Looked interesting. Steve Nash, Pau Gasol, Kobe Bryant. Well, maybe it's a Laker. Jeremy Lamb, KD, West. Okay. Kyle Lowry, Cody Zeller rookie, Phil Jackson, Shane Larkin, Isaiah Thomas,
And it's
Oh, man.
Arnett Moultrie, Serge Ibaka Blues to 199. Those there.
James Harden.
Eric Gordon orange.
Eric Golden.
33 of 60. Gary Payton, Jeff Withy rookie, Caron Butler, and Nick Young. All
I
three.
think Young's doing well too. Get some beautiful cards.
Auto in here. Okay, that's not a redemption. Gortat, Jason Thompson, Derrick Rose, Joakim Noah, Andrew Bynum, Tristan Thompson, Eric Gordon, Mike Miller, Mason Plumlee, Tim Hardaway, Shaq, Scottie Pippen blue, Kyrie Irving blue.
Let's go, Oladipo.
Charlotte is Pelicans.
Fred Jones.
Red Jones.
Red Jones.
Hey, how about Chandler Parsons last night, huh?
Yeah, he did.
Just when you thought any record has been made, another record is put up in the NBA.
Oh, that's a QR. Oh, those are on it. All those? Okay. We'll see
Harrison Barnes, Drew Holiday, Austin Rivers, Emeka Okafor, Brandon Jennings, Kirk Heinrich, B.J. Armstrong, Detlef Shrimp, Isaiah Kanan, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Prizm Solomon Hill, Orange Solomon Hill,
Oh,
Nice.
Joakim Noah insert, David West,
What's that?
Ty Lawson.
what's up?
There.
How many more autos? 2? No Michael Carter, full and everything?
There's another one here. That's a redemption.
Redemption.
Yep.
Well, that's good.
Carter Williams.
That's a good thing.
Got Danny Granger, Paul George, John Henson, Ursan Ilyasova, Avery Bradley, Jay Crowder, Rudy Gay, Glenn Rice, Joe Dumars, Tony Mitchell, Dave DeBuscher, Shane Larkin, and James Harden Blues. Well, that's a Kobe Bryant insert there.
So guys, how you doing?
It's going the right way. There, it's going the right way. Okay. Panini, autographs. One. Oh.
Oh, man.
Guess who it is?
Oh, man.
Kevin Durant.
Wow! Ring the bell. Who's got it?
You got Durant auto, dude.
I saw 142.
We got Tassos.
Tassos, $100
Tassos in the
card.
house.
$100 card tosses.
All right, okay. Hey, Josh,
Tosses.
he picked the box for you, man.
You can thank other Mike.
Tosses.
The other Mike.
Man, every box I open has Kevin Durant autos in it.
It's gonna take like 14 months to get this.
No,
Hey,
I think he's already live. I think he's already
Just
signed
remember who picked the box for you.
Aaron will buy it.
He'll hook you up, I think. I think
right.
you got him, dude.
him. Here's the other one. You want to do it now or you want to wait?
Wait,
Yeah, might as well wait. Is it Carter Will?
another Durant.
Okay. You know what I'm telling you? As soon as I saw 142, I was like, get out of here.
So that's back to back for you?
Yep, back-to-back Kevin Durant autos.
Out of Prism?
Yeah.
Good dude.
The last jumbo I opened had KD in it. Okay, that confused me.
Another auto? No.
No, Taj Gibson, Kevin Seraphin, James Harden, Thaddeus Young, Eric Bledsoe, Kendall Marshall, Kyle Korver, Alex Lynn, John Havlicek, Solomon Hill, David Robinson, Trevor Ariza, orange, 7/60. He's number 1, so I'll put that on top. Drazen Petrovic, Kyle Lowry, and Tony Parker, blue, Solomon Hill, HRX. All right, this one is the auto one, correct?
It's the last one?
No, that one. This one's the auto.
There
Jason
it
almost
is.
stole it.
You did?
That has the auto in it. No black in here. DeMarcus Cousins, Tracy McGrady, Deion Waiters, Dirk Nowitzki, Sean Marion, Evan Fournier, Carmelo Anthony, Ricky Rubio, Tim Hardaway Jr., Grant Hill, Rolando Blackman, MKG, orange,
Tosses.
28/60, LeBron insert, Blake Griffin, and Pau Gasol blues with Alex Len.
Give me 55.
Tosses. Tosses. I'll give you 50 cash. Right?
55.
I'll give you 60. I'll give you 60.
61.
Monte Ellis, Al
one
Jefferson,
second.
Chris Paul, LaMarcus Aldridge, Nick Batum, Thomas Robinson, Brooke Lopez, Shabazz Muhammad, Dennis Rodman, Magic Johnson, Nate Wolters, Damian Lillard insert again to blue.
Ooh, that's nice.
199. Kentavious Caldwell Pope. It's a rookie.
Oh, man.
Ryan
Lakers.
Kelly.
Ryan Kelly. That's Jason.
All the hits.
That's it.
That's it.
That's nice.